Okay guys, we are here working on the G35. We're all mic'd up. Oh, you're out of range. You gotta come back, dipstick. So we're all mic'd up. I got these mics and I'm gonna start using them, so hopefully the recording quality goes up. So we're installing an exhaust on here. Right now we got the Z1 exhaust. I'm not gonna put any clips, but everyone knows how they sound because everyone has the same exhaust.
Sounds like shit.
It's pretty much just a single exit and it just has a muffler. I don't think there's a resonator, right? Yeah, it's just a straight pipe to a muffler. So they all sound the same, no matter what the brand is, unless they have a resonator. But we have the eBay special Spec D / Flash Arc / whatever rebrand name it is.
It's not eBay.
Boy, if you don't. Yeah, so it's gonna sound smoother, but the exhaust has an H pipe, so I don't know. It'll still probably be rumbly, just a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna go for, or at least he's gonna go for a clean sound. I always say we, but it's your car.
Yeah. Strong as fuck for no reason.
I wanted to pay you. Yeah. You still owe me Taco Bell when you get paid. Look at this guy. That's like a big exhaust. You can fist it. Yeah. And it's an aftermarket one. You can get some, at least $100 from it.
Is it aftermarket?
Here.
We'll probably just sell all of it as a bundle.
Yeah, well, yeah, it'll up the value. Oh, okay. Exhaust on the table. Exhaust. All right, boys. Your favorite position. Ooh, look how crisp the quality is like this. Maybe this side goes like this. Oh yeah, that's what it does. Maybe we should look it up. All right, guys, we're taking a break. We're gonna look at Google. Okay, friends, it's a new day. We are putting exhaust together on the floor.
We were retarded and should have done it before now.
Yeah, so we had these extensions on the front, and you're not supposed to have them on the front. They go in between here. But another thing is they're also like one side's angled. Like I think this side's angled, so it's angled that way. And then I think this one's straight and that part is angled. You basically have to do it on the floor and figure out how to get it right. We're just gonna put at least this whole portion of the system together. And we're taking it off now to put the gaskets on now that we have it figured out. And then we're gonna tighten it down, and then we're gonna throw this part under the car. Put this part on first with the hanger, and then we're gonna put the front on. So yeah. Oh, finally doing the
Still has a small gap in it. Ow. Oh, these J pipes are cool.
Oh shit. Finally taking this off. We are done. Nah. Alright, boys. You guys are gonna have to wait to hear the startup. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's quiet. It's so quiet.
I think with the test pipes and the HI headers, it'll sound perfect.
It'll be loud. Alright, so we were discussing the fitment. So if you guys look, I'm like almost perfectly centered. You can see this tip here is going this way. This one's going this way as well, but this one's sunk in and it's also going up. This one's sticking out, and is it facing down? Is it pointing down?
It's kind of more, it's like facing towards the right.
Yeah, it's pointed straight, but then this tip is pointed up. So yeah, the fitment is off, but it sounds good at least.
Yeah, this one's definitely like lower, this one's lower.
Yeah, probably gonna have to do some cutting and welding. But it's not bad. It sounds good at least. All right, boys, we going for a ride. There's also no interior back here, so
Yeah. So you smell everything too.
dude, it's so clean. Woo! only thing that doesn't help with the system is the H-pipe. Because the H-pipe, well, you need a crossover, but the H-pipe is the worst of the two. Straight cut gears though. Now take it all the way, all the way. I think the video is gonna pick it up, or the mic on the iPhone is gonna pick it up because it sounds really good. It's super crisp, but I noticed that like some videos it sounds super raspy. This doesn't sound raspy at all. It's like super clean and crisp. But the Z1 exhaust that was on here before was super raspy, like especially at like 4K, 5K. It just like crackled like super loud, but like not a good crackle. But now, oh, that shit sounds clean. It's clean, but like rumbly.
Yeah, I like it. I prefer it this way. I don't like hella loud.
This is low-key DKZ. Well, it sounds like just a little bit. I think we're gonna do the test pipes from the first video. This will be the second video. So from the first video, when we got the test pipes, we're gonna do the headers and the test pipes. So it'll just like be a little bit louder, but the only thing we're gonna do to the system is I'm probably gonna cut like the rear portion and like try to get the tip straight. And then other than that, like that's it. It sounds pretty good. You like it?
I like it. I prefer it this way. I prefer it.
Dude, it sounds good. Guys, your fucking Z or G, it doesn't have to be raspy. Everyone's got raspy G's. They just fucking straight pipe.
For no reason.
Literally, because if you're trying to drift in like a spot and like a low-key spot like here, you don't want like the whole world knowing that you're drifting, and then the cops are gonna come. But this shit is quiet. Low-key, the tires are gonna be louder than the exhaust. Okay. All right, so we're gonna head out to a little low-key road, and then I'm gonna have them fly by me. We're gonna hear how it sounds on their load. I don't know, but I'm thinking right now, imagine if you had quad tips. Like, is that too much, or like? Oh yeah. You guys are probably hearing my tractor.